Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have a bracelet unboxing from a brand called Paume. They are a jewelry brand that is family owned and operated, and I'm excited to share with you. The Paume item I received came via UPS ground. It came with a nice bag and inside a box with their branding. The bracelet was wrapped nicely in tissue and inside of a plastic bag. I have been storing the bracelet in the box and it's been doing really well as an everyday piece. Here is a mod shot. You can see that there's a beautifully crafted tennis bracelet, a double chain, and a lobster clasp. It's a great everyday piece and it stacks very nicely with other jewelry. I'm so excited to have it in my collection. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.